Oh, Windows 2000, how much I love you so. Let's use the internet. What? A Windows 2000 update? I'm clicking yes. No. Cailou OS.
That's right. I'm so mad and fed up of you making grounded videos out of me. I'm installing it. After this happens your computer will crash and reboot to Cailou OS. Ha 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 ha. Ha.
Oh no you don't. I'm turning off my PC. What? It is still installing?
Yes. Your Windows 2000 is done. Ha 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 ha.
Okay. Let's set it up. Where's Cailou? Oh well. Guess has not on the desktop. I will use the internet. I will watch Violet first.
Hey. No Violet 1 SD or other raging channels.
Crap. Okay, let's listen to music. Okay, let's play some games. Cool. It's gone. But can I get Windows 2000 back? Yes, I would. Yay. It worked. No more Cailou OS. Now, let's watch Violet first. Cailou, how dare you install your crappy OS on Animate's computer? That's it, you are grounded for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 0 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 years. Go to bed right now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.